You know that one shirt you have in your closet, the one that's like the right color, the right fit, and it's your favorite shirt, maybe even your lucky shirt? When you wear that shirt, you feel fantastic, right? You're solid. You're ready for a great night out because you know you look great. It's like magic. And it's really interesting how all of that works because a lot of us wear different types of clothes depending on the situation. It's kind of like having ultimate power because you can basically change who you are, how you feel, and also change the perception other people have about you. It also has the power to shift your mood and potentially even take you out of depressed emotional states. So why do some men choose certain items of clothing while other guys choose something completely different? First and foremost, functionality and comfort are of course a huge reason, but it also has to do with who we are, where we grew up, where we live now, our values, our career, and of course, our hobbies. For example, someone who works in a manufacturing plant or even a fabrication shop is probably a lot more concerned about function over form, right? We're talking steel-toe boots and heavy shirts, jackets, and pants. But on the flip side, say a trial attorney, he's going to be more concerned about form, right? Because he needs to look professional, competent, and trustworthy. Because if there's a jury involved, it's critical that that attorney make a good impression and be seen as self-confident and likable. The link between clothing and mood, I think, is bigger than you might realize because what you wear can influence how you feel. This is called enclothed cognition. Because like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that favorite shirt of yours, maybe even your lucky shirt, it makes you feel confident, stylish, and it can absolutely boost your mood and your self-esteem. For example, putting on a tailored suit can make you feel powerful, smarter, more expensive, and ready to conquer anything. However, wearing sweatpants around the house, that creates a feeling of comfort and relaxation. But not only that though, colors, textures, and styles of clothing, that all contributes to how you feel. Bright colors might indicate happiness, and darker color tones might indicate a more serious mood. But the beautiful thing is, not only can you choose outfits that allow you to change your mood, but you can also choose outfits that convey to other people exactly what you want them to think about you. The clothes you wear are a lot more than just stitched together fabric, right? It's more like a canvas that you can build on. We use fashion to convey our identity, whether that's professional, casual, sporty, or even artistic. So say you're heading into a job interview. Depending on the job, you might need to be wearing a well-fitted suit that projects this image of professionalism and reliability. But on the other hand, if you're heading out on a Saturday night with the boys, you just might go with jeans and a t-shirt that communicates and signals that you're relaxed and ready to have some fun. And having the ability to sort of be like a chameleon is a valuable skill that allows us to easily change into different roles and different situations. And let's be very clear here. It's not about wearing a costume and pretending to be somebody else. It's about grabbing the right tool from your toolbox that's right for that job. Men's fashion also has an impact on body image because clothing can and does accentuate certain features, hide perceived flaws, and just ultimately influence how we feel about our bodies. And it's also important to realize that body image is very personal and it can be a sensitive subject for a lot of people. I mean, think about it. A lot of us use clothing to strategically enhance our body image. Otherwise, we'd all just run around wearing garbage bags. For example, well-fitted and tailored clothing creates this illusion of a more muscular or slimmer physique. But on the other hand, loose-fitting clothing provides comfort and some concealment for some insecurities. Keep in mind though that this unrealistic body type that you see coming from social media and the fashion industry can sometimes lead to unrealistic and unhealthy expectations. So it's important to keep trying different styles of clothing and different cuts of clothing to find things that fit your body and then make you feel good about yourself and the body that you have right now. Think of clothing like a language. It communicates who you are before you even say a word. It's going to send signals about your values, your interest, and your social status. It also communicates whether or not you're friendly and approachable, or whether or not you're unfriendly, intimidating, and should be avoided. And in professional work environments, clothing choices can convey authority and competence. I mean, a suit and tie, that's going to communicate leadership and experience. But more casual clothing, that might communicate a more creative and laid-back approach to your work. So next time you see somebody in a really cool outfit, just remember, there's a lot more to it than just looking cool. And the more you practice and play around with all of this, the more power you'll have to change your own mood and also control how other people see you. And really quick, if you missed this video, you should definitely check it out next. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And as always, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I'll see you in the next one.